Veganish.
Tofu is pretty easy. You just buy it off the pack. You want to get firm. I cut it into pieces and then I like to put it back into the pack. Or whatever microwavable seed container you You want to actually put, it's not going to fit in this one, but you want to put a paper towel or something underneath it and throw it in the microwave for 1 minute. Alright, so you just take it out of there. And then it should be nice and moist. A lot of the moisture should have came off. You can press it again if you like. Yeah, that's not really consistent doing anything more than squeezing this with a press paper towel. You can use a press or 2 books or something like that. What I like to do, I keep it pretty simple because firm is already at a moist texture that I don't mind. I'll put it in between the paper towels and such. And obviously I can't use both my hands to show you, but I would just put them between both my hands and press and press and press. But I'll use both my hands to squeeze, but not too hard. So maybe something like this. Right? Just see it right there. I just want you to see the firmness I'm using. Not too hard like that. And that would actually get what you're trying to get out of it. Other than that, we're going to put this in the freezer anyway. So you're just baby talking. So you don't. Baby, I'm trying to talk. You trying to talk. We both can't talk. So you will leave it. See how more moisture comes out though. And then I just like to take it because I'm going to throw it in the freezer for a little bit. I just take it and throw it back in the pack, and then I'm going to throw this back in the freezer. All right. And then it's pretty simple. You just throw this in here like this. Frozen. You don't want to let them just, but they're going to be nice and it should take them long. Depending on how long they have to remain. See how this is like darker? Yeah, this one was on top, so that was really frozen. The ones in the middle right there aren't. So, but it's the texture I'm going for, so because I'm making what I'm making. If I was making ribs, I would really want them to be frozen. But I'm just letting it thaw out like that. But for the most part, that's all you gotta do. It'll just thaw out. Maybe 20-30 minutes to thaw out enough so you can pull them apart and season them. You take the pieces, put them in cold, and then cut these squares. Put some seasonings on there. Get it started. want to french fries for me? Pull that air fryer down. Can you reach over?